Uh, Thank you for opening our next video. This is our Blossoms Family YouTube channel. Until you didn't subscribe, please subscribe and press the tap the ring bell button. So from our previous video, we already discussed about the movie industry of Western world. So today we are talking about the Western songs, because from our channel we already discussed that we basically we performing in entertainments from our channel. So today we are discussing about the Western songs. So previous video I explained that the Western industry, this entertainment industry basically begins with the music operas, like the world hit tunes like Mozart belongs to Mozart, or like many other magnificent musicians. There are so many beautiful presentations in operas. This opera become very popular, and after the invention of theater system with the projector invention of the projector, there are so many films became to theaterize. So in this environment, it was developed as an industry. So until now, the Western movie industry become a very popular in the world. So in this, along with the movie industry, parallel to movie industry, the music also developed in the Western world. So from the basic traditional opera systems from to nowadays, we can observe there are we can observe many music uh, formations in the world, like if we think there are so many music patterns, but there are three basic Western music traditions became to the world. The one is popular pop music, the second one rock and roll, the third one is reggae. So these are the three basic music patterns in the music field, we can say, music field in the Western world. So popular music, the Michael Jackson, we can talk about Michael Jackson as the king of pop music, and Elvis Presley as the king of rock and roll, because he was the very they were the more talented people regarding their field. And also from close to Western country, there is some tropical country, but that style also become religion, like a musical religion in music world of Western music. So that is Bob Marley, the king of reggae. The reggae also very popular music pattern. The countries who close to Western world, the reggae also one style of the music. With these three basic dominions of Western music, the Western music also developed. When we come to the end of 20th century and when we come into 21st century, we can observe so many groups also. Like one individual people, they develop their skills in many dominions of music, but then later they become some groups also. Now in the end of 20th century, we can talk about two groups, like basically my Heartwind group is ABBA and Bonnie M. Then after that, in this century, 21st century, there are Backstreet Boys. These are the groups. And apart from the groups, there are newcomers also. They presenting their styles, like Bryan Adams from pop music, and Ricky Martin regarding rock and roll, and again there are some newcomers like Justin Bieber and Britney Spears. There are so many. In our countries, some tropical countries close to Western countries and many Eastern countries, the Bob Marley style become very popular, because the local bands of these countries, those who close to Western music, many of them are following the Bob Marley style. So it was another beautiful thing we can discuss, because the pattern, style, the philosophies, when we the reading of Bob Marley life is another like something that we feel humanity and the feeling of a good person's thoughts and activities, feelings. So you can search what we talked about this video, everything you can find from YouTube, because that's why we didn't upload any videos from our playlist. This is Eastern playlist, Eastern songs, or not like Eastern songs playlist. This is a Western movies and songs playlist. We have only 2 videos available here, because we need just explain you the things and introduce you about this subject. So other things you can search from many YouTube videos available in YouTube. So that is, this encouragement is to guide you what are the fields you need to search. So this is our discussion about the Western songs growth parallel to Western movie industry. So thank you friends, remember to subscribe and tap the bell icon of our Blossoms Family YouTube channel. We are with you. Thank you and have a nice day.